Extend the life of your outdoor kitchen to provide living space in your yard with these cleaning tips coming up. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. Having an outdoor kitchen and grilling area can provide the perfect setting for a background soiree. But providing the proper care is important. Let's start with our Cambridge Outdoor Bar Kit. This kit has stainless steel surface areas, including a sink, cooler, and refrigerator. Before every use, we hose down the surface to remove dust and debris. We then maintain the granite surface before, during, and after the party with a soapy mixture. Add 1 part mild soap, 1 part warm water in a spray bottle. You could use a vinegar mixture instead if you don't have granite or marble. Use a stainless steel cleaner and a soft sponge or cloth on the appliance surfaces. Make sure to clean after every use using a stroke that follows the grain. For a deeper clean, rinse down your sink with water, then sprinkle with baking soda. Use a soft sponge to scrub the steel. Rinse with vinegar to disinfect and remove hard water stains. Next, rub the steel with a lemon peel to deodorize and rejuvenate its shine. Finally, use paper towels and a dab of olive oil to buff the steel and make it look like new. Before we stock up the fridge, we wipe down the inside with a soapy mixture, rinse and wipe dry. Now that we have our meal station prepped, we need to maintain our gas grill. Don't forget to watch next week's video where we show you how we're going to clean our barbecue after a major 4th of July soiree. You can go subscribe below to stay in the know. Also, if you want more cleaning videos, go check out this one next and visit us at www.toritoth.com for all of our home tips. Until next time, happy cleaning.